Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, consider subscribing, and if you're not, welcome back. But today we are going to unbox the limited edition box for November. If you are new to my channel or my store here on Etsy, I do limited edition boxes every month. There's a theme every month, a limited edition scent, and a whole bunch of goodies that come in a single little box like this. And yes, so we are going to do November, which is a Golden Gleams, or also Autumn Golden Bliss, because I just think of gold when I think of, like, you know, fall and how all the leaves are changing. So this one is going to be packed with, well, gold, but also going to be packed with a lot of different options for you to customize the box to how you want it in some ways. And it'll be the first time I have two limited edition scents to choose from, because I know not everyone is the same. All right, so look, we have our golden paper. Okay. Now every box will come with this bronze and gold diamond painting pen. It will be including the cat's ear stylus and a steel multi-placer. All of them will be coming with a 6 narrow steel multi-placer. So last month I had included just the single placer that was steel. This month you're also getting a multi-placer. Look at us, we're getting all fancy. The December box, you get a whole set of placers, just hint. So here is the sticker of the month. It says Dotting Dreams and Golden Gleams. It's really cute. It has like little glitter. So her button, the heart on her dress, and the frosting all has like some glitter in it. The words should, but I don't see it very well. But either way, it's a cute little gnome. All right. Now, here is the main limited edition scent. It is Snickerdoodle. If you're not familiar with Snickerdoodle, it is a cookie, a delicious cookie, my favorite cookie. But I know not everyone enjoys the scent of Snickerdoodle. It's very buttery, it has a hint of cinnamon, but it's quite rich and buttery. So there's the option of Snickerdoodle, or you can change out to Golden Vanilla. Now, Golden Vanilla, if you like my Vanilla Bean Bliss wax and putty, you'll probably like this because I'm using my same French vanilla base. However, there will be a hint, and I mean it, a hint of cinnamon added to it. So I don't want to call it cinnamon vanilla. It's going to be more vanilla, just that little tiny blip of cinnamon that you will get. Now, every box will come with a washi tape. I have so many different varieties. It'll just be kind of random which one you get, but they are all very super cute and fall themed. There's even these like boho style ones. I really like them. So yeah, it'll just depend on the box and what I'm packing. But you will get to at least pick between those two scents. Now, the default scent is Cashmere Dreams, and this is, I got no words. If you've never smelt a cashmere scent, you need to. I used to think, oh, that's not for me. Oh, it's so heavenly. I accidentally spilled some of the fragrance oil on my sweatshirt the other day, and I was totally fine with it. Didn't care, because you know what? It was heaven. So this one here is the primary scent, Cashmere Dreams. It has some lovely sparklies. I will probably swap out the sparklies for gold just because we're sticking with gold. So they'll be purple and gold. But you can have this one, or if you decide that Cashmere Dreams is not for you, and in the listing it will have full descriptions of what each scent is. You can choose between Black Cherry, which has some pretty gold flecks, Cherry Almond. I know they sound a lot alike, but these two smell very different. Very different. Also pretty gold flecks. Or you can get yourself some Snickerdoodle because, hey, why not? And this one's got some gold and brown flecks. And there is also a golden vanilla wax melt. I just unfortunately have not made the wax melt, but that will be your choice as well. So you'll have 5 different scents to choose from. You get to customize your box. Then we have the diamond painting tray. Now, not only is this gold, this is actually a glitter gold. And it's hard to see, I guess the back is the best. It's hard to see with the lighting, and I'm filming it in an opportune time, but there is like flecks of glitter in it. So it's this pretty tray. Now I partner with LEP for every month. We create custom trays. Well, she makes them. I just request special colors, but these are ones that are not available in her shop. Occasionally if she has leftovers, but usually I pick colors that aren't in her shop to make it more fun. And well, you're getting something unique. Then matching our cute little gnome gal is this gnome cover minder. Isn't that freaking adorable? It's so cute. However, all the boxes will come standard with this lovely gal. But if you want a bigger cover minder, say you just want to fill up more space, you can upgrade to the bigger one. So those are 2 options. You can either just go with the standard or upgrade to the bigger one. As you can see, there's quite a difference. But the little minis are good. I'd use very strong earth magnets on both, so you don't have to worry, they'll hold back your plastic. This one will have a thicker magnet, like see this has a thinner one on it. This will have a beast of a magnet just to hold its weight and keep everything back. But yeah, you get to choose which one you want. Do you want the bigger one? There will be a little bit more of a cost added to get the bigger one, obviously. Or, oops, as it rolls away, you can get the smaller one. Now, I think that's the standard, yes. So every box will come with the glitter golden tray, the bronze and gold and red pen. Every single box will come with the sticker and some sort of washi tape that's fall themed. And then you have your options. You get to choose between the golden vanilla or snickerdoodle. That one flew right across my desk. Or you can add both. So if you want both, you can add both and you'll get the other batch at a discounted rate as opposed to buying it separately in the store. So there will be that option to get both. So if you want both, I would do it in the package. Otherwise, you're going to pay more if you do them separate. And then every box comes standard with the little gal, or you can upgrade to the big one. And then you get to pick your wax melt scent. So like I said, there will be 5 to choose from. The standard one is this one. I really do recommend it because it smells amazing. Oh, watch, I'm just gonna smell it right now. Oh, it's so good. I don't know how to describe it. It really is a dream. I'm like wrapped up in a cozy blankie and just, yeah, I don't know. It's not like super overpowering and it's not like all cinnamon, nutmeg or anything like that. I wanted to pick one that wasn't like fall just splashed in your face. But if you want fall to splash in your face, then go for these ones. So that is what the limited edition box is. The price point will be the same as last month simply because you are getting the option to customize your wax melts. And then of course we're doing the fancy schmancy pen. I'm not increasing it any further even though I'm including these multi-placers. So no worries there. And then of course it's just going to be the same price as last month because we did a custom glitter tray as well. But like I said, you can go ahead and add both scents if you want to add them and get them cheaper, or just pick one or the other. So yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Now I will warn you, these sell out quickly. The Halloween box sold out by the 4th of the month, maybe 5th. All I know is it did not make it a week. And there are actually people that order these like instantly when they list. I like usually have anywhere from 10 to 12 gone by day 1. So I will not be making another one of this box. However, extras like these cover minders and whatnot will be put into little packages. And then of course you can buy the limited edition scent all on its own if you don't want to buy the box and you just want the scents. Oh, it's hard to pick these up. And then these wax melt scents are in my store as well. But the point is to give you some more options, and then of course still sticking with the theme. So yeah, thanks everyone, and happy shopping and happy fall, and until next time, take care. Bye now.